Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you an introduction about Stellarium app which is installed in my tab. So Stellarium app is very useful. Uh, so today I'm going to show you that how it is useful and all the settings and how we can use it. Okay, so first of all, this is very virtual, means we can see we do not need any kind of heavy gadgets. We can download it from Play Store and you can get this app. Okay, so for this you can sit at home and see what is happening around the world, how the stars are seen and all the things. Okay, so first of all, what are the things that we can do from this app? So as you can see, we can see constellations, which is the first thing. So we can see many constellations. I will be keep making videos about Stellarium app, but for now I will just show you all the settings and what we can do. So see, we can see the constellations, right? So you can also see many small dots, and those are the stars. Now this you can see here, this is Saturn. So we can zoom in. I will show you. This is Saturn. Can you see that? And these are all the moons of Saturn, the satellites. Okay, the Saturn is moving and we can see that. So this is also very helpful by that. Then we can also see Jupiter, which is here. I will show you one by one. Okay, now these are all the moons. Ganymede. Okay, now what we can see, let's search. So now you can see the sun, I think. Yeah, I got it. So this is the sun. So we can see many things here. Now, okay, so we can see stars, constellations, planets, suns, and more things. Okay, so now this app has also many much more settings than only seeing. So I will quickly go by the settings which is there in this app. So here, which you see here, this one, this has many options. So constellations, landscape, atmosphere, labels, night mode. So what is all these? Here there are constellations, so we can off the constellations, then we will not be able to see the constellations. And also landscape, grid lines, and these are not very important. So main important I will show you is this thing. So there is a 3 bar on the left hand side. Click on that and you will be able to see uh, these options, which is location, sky cultures, observe, instrument, settings, upgrade, and help and feedback. So let's go to the location. So we can select a location. We can means we can change the location where we have where we want to see. So let's show you that how we can do that. So here, um, longitude you can set, latitude you can set, name and city. So you can select on this and then search the city from where you want to see. Suppose I want to see from Pune. So I can see from Pune, and now it is clearly sunny because it's day going on in here, so it's showing sunny. Okay, so you can change the city also from where we want to see. So it's like we can sit at home and see what's happening around the world, right? So it is very fun. Okay, so this is all about location. So this is all about location. Now another thing that we can do from this is very helpful, that we can change the time. So here can you see on the downside. Okay, so that there is written 1851. We can change the timing. Friday 13th August. So you can change the timing. We can go back. Okay, so we can go in front. What will happen we can predict. So it's like we can do time travel. Now we can change the date also, not the day. I've changed only the day. We can change also uh, the date. Okay, so if you do like this, then 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Can you see that? Now you can change the timing time to any option. Like we can change to 2020, 2018. You've got to just do like this. Okay, so can you see that? If I clicked on here, so you can change large timing. So if you click on this, then you will be able to see then 2020, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. You see that? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then here also you can change the timing. Okay, so it's very, now we can set the time. So set the time to now. Yeah, so we are now the time which is there at Pune, I think. We have changed the location too. Okay, so by this we can suppose I will just tell you, you can do this activity. You can search on Google that when the solar eclipse happened, and you can see the solar eclipse. You can change the timing here, and you can see the solar eclipse in here. Okay, so yeah, so we can also do that. We can see solar eclipse. So main basic things, that we can change the location, we can change the time, we can view across the sky that what is it, you can see the constellations, and we will be able to know much more things, right? Okay, so we can know about the stars, we can read constellations, we can read the planets, and it will be very helpful. So this is about a review of the app, which not a review, I just give you the introduction about this app, Stellarium. This app is Stellarium. So I hope you enjoyed this video, uh, and I hope you will download this app as soon as possible. This app is available at Play Store, so you can download from that. And there is also a PC app. The settings are same. Uh, so in PC app, I think that we can change the planet also, from where we want to see the location from the planet. Can you imagine? So we can select from sun. We can select from Earth. So look, planet location we can also change from PC. I will give the link in the description below about the app in the mobile, and also the app in the PC. So you can download from there, no problem. But basic things I have told you, that this is an app which helps to view across the sky that what is happening and all the things. And we can also change the location and timing. We can see the constellations, stars and planets. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Meet you in the next video, guys. Until then, goodbye.